Hello, 8th graders, and welcome to your 5th module for this third trimester 2020. We're almost finished. You've been so good. You've been so great with this. I know it has not been easy. Congratulations. I'm super proud of all of you. So in this module, we're going to be dealing with the TH. And it can be a little bit complicated, but it's extremely important. So something important that I want you to remember is that whenever you learn something new, you need to apply it immediately. So for instance, now when you send me your recording, I cannot have any of you saying number 3. There is no such thing as number 3. Número árbol. That does not exist. So now that we're going to be practicing the TH, you need to say number 3. Same thing happens with number 13, because number 13 does not exist. And in the same way, now that we already know the sound as V, if any word shows up with the V in it, you need to pronounce it properly. And the same thing happens with the beginning sound of S. For instance, if there's a word on your list like smooth, you cannot say smooth. It has to be smooth, because that's what learning is about. Making changes in habits that we had previously. As always, if you have any questions or any comments, you can send me an email. It must be english@gmail.com. Please remember that you cannot read English like you read Spanish. In your previous list, you had the word yacht, and a lot of you were saying jot. I don't know where you got that from, because I did not say jot, but you saw the Y and you thought you were speaking Spanish. Do not do that. In English, you cannot read every letter. There are some letters that you're just going to have to ignore, because even though they're part of the word, they're not pronounced in the word. So let me share my screen with you so we can immediately start working on the TH sound. Now we have a very juicy list. Your list has 25 words, and these words are super good. Love these words. The TH in English can have at least 2 sounds, which is called voiceless because you don't use your vocal cords, and the, which is called voiced because you do include your vocal cord. So for instance, think would be a voiceless sound of th, and these would be voiced. Think these. Do you hear the difference? Think these. The same TH, but with 2 different sounds. Th and the. Th and the. Okay, so let's go right into this list. And I'm going to go really slowly. Let me show you the 25 words. Number 1, thought. Number 2, thump. Number 3, there. Number 4, through. Number 5, theft. Number 6, theater. That word causes a lot of confusion, so make sure you get it properly. It's theater, theater. Number 7, heathen. Number 8, methane. Number 9, empathy. I love that word, empathy. Number 10, pathogen. Number 11, brethren. Number 12, pathetic. 13, sympathy. 14, anything. 15, brotherly. 16, orthodoxy. I like that word too, orthodoxy. 17, weatherman. 18, toothpaste. 19, hypothesis. 20, orthography. 21, prosthetics. 22, forthcoming. 23, hypnotherapy. 24, enthusiastic. 25, authorization. Please do not try to read the letters. Listen to the pronunciation. Forget what you're looking at. Just listen to the pronunciation, because in English, you do not pronounce every word that you read, every letter that you read. Let's go over the list 2 more times. Thought, thump, there, through, theft, theater, heathen, methane, empathy, pathogen, brethren, pathetic, sympathy, anything, brotherly, orthodoxy, weatherman, toothpaste, hypothesis, orthography, prosthetics, forthcoming, hypnotherapy, enthusiastic authorization. And one more time, and people, this is not optional. This is the correct way to speak English. So practice, 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 practice. And if I tell you to do it one more time, don't get angry, get happy. Do it again because it's for your own good. Last time on this list: 1, thought; 2, thump; 3, there; 4, through; 5, theft; 6, theater; 7, heathen; 8, methane; 9, empathy; 10, pathogen; 11, brethren; 12, pathetic; 13, sympathy; 14, anything; 15, brotherly; 16, orthodoxy; 17, weatherman; 18, toothpaste; 19, hypothesis; 20, orthography; 21, prosthetics; 22, forthcoming; 23, hypnotherapy; 24, enthusiastic; and 25, authorization. As usual, if you have any questions, any comments, email me at itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. And please remember, hello teacher, my name is Peter Peterson, and immediately start reading the list. Do not give me any additional introduction. I don't want it, and I'm going to take off points if you do that. Thank you so much. Have fun with this. Practice, 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 and see you next time. Bye-bye.